Hello my guys, my friends, welcome to your channel. I am Alireza Sonic and I have some most important things about popping dance, and this video we are focused on arm pop. So if you are here it means you want to be popping dancer and you want to get better in popping dance. Before starting, don't forget like this video right now. It's so easy work. Put 3 of this emoji in comments. Let's go to start. In this video we have nice guest, my best friend Ringo Funky. For starting, I should say to you that you want to learn popping dance. One of most important part of your body is arm. That you should know its arms, its muscles. Forgive me. We have something about arm pop. For popping better, you should know what muscle you need. And this video is about arm pop. Popping is about contracting the muscles, move at the moment and stop it, okay? Like this, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, boom. And for having better pop, you should be so easy, and measy lemon squeezy. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so move your arm and stop it at the moment and contract all the muscles of your arm. Boom, boom. It's second step of arm pop. Boom. Be so easy. You are like this. It means you contracted your muscles before popping, and you cannot have good pop. So deep breathe and be easy. Boom, and contracting your muscles. Next step, imagine a motorcycle, and do this move. Come your wrist down, boom, boom, and contract your muscles, biceps, triceps, and these muscles. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 boom. The pop needs to practice so much on the beat. In arm pop we have some little things that if you do that it's so false, so try to not do that. Don't move your hands, your fingers come here. Don't do like this, boom, 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 boom. Imagine something here and your wrist come here and contracting your muscles. It helps you to contracting better this muscle and biceps, triceps. 5, 6, 7, 8 on the beat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. And if you want to get better in arm pop, I will make a video for practicing better. You can practice with me in this video. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Focus on your muscles, just your muscles, not details of your around yourself. Just focus on your muscle for feel the pop your muscle. Boom, 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 boom. So the other things that you need to know. If you change the movement of your wrist, you will switch your focus on the other muscle. What I mean, if your wrist come down, you contract, your body contract biceps and triceps and this muscle. Put your finger here and you can feel it. But if your wrist come up, your body contract this muscle. So focus on this, and if you control these muscles, you having better control on your muscles. For having better, try to each one of these. Let's do it on the beat. Your wrist come up. Boom. Can you feel it? Comment your opinion for me. Boom, 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 boom. Switch. Your wrist come down. So I'm gonna give you a pattern for warming up your muscles and trying to level up your arm pop and your power pop in your arms. This pattern names is butterfly. Imagine these lines and move your arm on these lines and pop. Come on, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move your arms. Nice. Repeat. Nice. This pattern can help you to feel your muscles. And you can try to reverse this pattern. Let's reverse. Nice. Congratulations if you can do this one. It means you now you can feel your muscles and you are gonna being a popping dancer. If you want to having more control in your arms and having more power in the pops, you can this video of arm pop practice. I'm gonna practice with you. Let's go for next video. Have a nice night and days. Let's go. تمام شد. خب این یکی بود.